The Tornado Diamond drill bits are suitable for the dry drilling of porcelain, marble, granite or travertine, and comes in sizes from 6mm up to 50mm in diameter. Start drilling on a 45-degree angle to gain traction, and once the hole has been started, return the drill bit to 90 degrees. Continue drilling, but move in a circular motion to help release material from the drill bit core. These drill bits are extremely strong and they will cut through tiles very quickly with minimal wear on the drill bit, ready for repeated use. It is recommended that to prolong the drill bit's life, that you dip it in water every 30 seconds.